here. Man, I am trying to get this done. It's been a while since I posted anything. A few weeks back, I pulled it out, hooked up a temporary gas can, and I was able to get it started. I was having some spark issues, and I'll show you what I did to test the spark. Okay, to test for spark, I made this cool little contraption. It's made out of 2D batteries in a series, one with a negative for ground and one with a positive. I'll post some pictures so you can see what it looks like. Anyways, what I did, I just put my cover on the flywheel, but I was trying to verify for sure if I had spark. So I found a forum, and I'll post the link in the description of the video that described how to make this. Basically, once you have this D battery tester hooked up, you want to go ahead and connect your ground, and then you want to tap this to make the spark. So I got my positive and negative in my stator and just tapped it, and then I had a little spark plug tester that I hooked up and I could see my light going. So I knew I had good continuity. From the flywheel and the stator up to the condenser into my spark. I did have an issue beforehand with my spark plug wire. This is the first one I've ever made, and I made it completely wrong, so I had to redo it. I had to go buy some new cables. Only cost a few bucks at O'Reilly or AutoZone, one of the two. So I remade it, retested for spark, and I was good to go. Then I put everything together, hooked up a temporary gas can. I have some leakage on my carburetor here, so I'm going to pull it off. I'm going to just tighten up the screws around the gasket. I'm sure I just didn't get them tight enough. My throttle cable's really tight, so I'm going to just adjust that a little bit. So hopefully I have a little bit more play, because right now I can move only about a half to a full inch, and I feel like that's just not enough, and it feels weird. When I got it started and I'd give it a full throttle, it'd just die right away. And I think it's just because I need to adjust the carburetor, which I have not adjusted at all. I just kind of put it together. Been reading up on how to adjust the carburetor. So that's what I'm working on today. Just going to tweak the carburetor, hopefully adjust the throttle cable. So gas hoses, bolts, petcocks, going to adjust the carburetor. Oh, I got lots to do, but so little. I'm just so close. I'm ready to get this thing roaring and get it out on the road and revving away like a two-stroke and sound pretty. Anyways, have a great one. Enjoy the video.